Experts answer 7 big questions about cancer. Outcomes are improving as understanding grows, doctors and scientists say. Every day, billions of cells in our body divide or die up. It's all part of the intricate processes that keep blood flowing from our heart, food moving through our gut, and our skin regenerating. Once in a while, though, something goes awry, and the cells that should stop growing or die simply don't. Left unchecked, those cells can turn into cancer. The question of when and why exactly that happens and what can be done to stop it has long stumped the cancer scientists and physicians. Despite the unanswered questions that remain, they have made enormous strides in understanding and treating cancer. Here are some of the biggest questions about cancer that scientists have started to answer. Why do some genetic mutations lead to cancer while others don't? Scientists used to think that genetic mutation changes to the letter sequence of your DNA were the foundation of all cancer. They were only partly right. Mutations are very important, but they are not the entire explanation for a tumor, said D., a distinguished scholar at the Ludwig Institute for Cancer Research in Lausanne, Switzerland. Some mutations remain dormant our whole lives, never leading to cancer. Can pollution give people cancer? Scientists have long known that some chemicals, like asbestos and radon, or like those in cigarette smoke and alcohol, can cause cancer. How is inflammation related to this? For years, scientists sought the chemicals in our diets and the environments that caused genetic mutation, but it's becoming clear that if such exposures affect our cancer risk, they probably do so by provoking inflammation, not by directly damaging DNA, said R., a professor of biology at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. What gives tumors the power to grow? Cancer is not just a group of abnormal cells growing in a way they shouldn't. Scientists now recognize that tumors are complex tissues made up of cancer cells as well as normal cells that have been recruited to support their growth. What risk factors are in our control? Many cancers form for regions that are completely out of our hands. There will always be some cancers, even if we had the best prevention. Dr. R. said, but prevention can help a lot. What's the right way to treat it? Just a few decades ago, cancer treatment involved a fair amount of guesswork. We were kind of just pushing poison and hoping for the best, Dr. D said. Now, though, oncologists have a clear idea of who might benefit from chemotherapy, which delivers toxins that kill healthy cells as well as cancer cells, and who might benefit from a more targeted treatment. Is cancer ever curable? Although people might think of a cancer as cured once someone is in remission, doctors have historically been reluctant to promise they could get rid of a person's cancer completely. We never dared to use the word cure, said Dr. M., president of City of Hope National Medical Center. But newer treatments like the stem cell transplants and CAR-T have given him and other physicians more hope.